Researchers in the areas of brain interfaces, robotics, and artificial organs and systems. The 2045 initiative's primary objectives are to develop and implement a new strategy for human progress that can deal with the problems facing modern civilization as a whole, to foster an environment conducive to human spiritual enlightenment, and to create a vision of the future based on the interplay of 5 pillars: spirituality, culture, ethics, science, and technology. The primary scientific goal of the 2045 initiative is to develop technologies that will make it possible to upload one's consciousness to a superior non-biological carrier, hence extending one's lifespan and potentially making them immortal. They focus on facilitating the widest possible exchange of ideas among the world's major religious traditions, the scientific community, and the wider public. A new approach is needed if mankind is to undergo a massive transition on par with the greatest spiritual and technological revolutions in history. They see this as essential to surviving the current issues that are endangering our planet's habitat and our species' very survival. To achieve a more fruitful, happy, and satisfying future for all of humanity, they have launched the 2045 initiative to put into action a new strategy for our species' progress. In order to transfer one's consciousness to an artificial carrier and achieve cybernetic immortality, the 2045 team is working towards creating an international research center where leading scientists will engage in research and development in the fields of anthropomorphic robotics, living systems modeling, and brain and consciousness modeling. The initiative organizes a yearly convention called the Global Future 2045 to examine humanity's evolutionary plan based on cybernetic immortality technologies and the potential impact of these technologies on future global society, politics, and economies. The social criteria of the 2045 initiative in the future. The human connection to the essence of a human being to the avatar. The development and widespread adoption of cheap avatar androids with a brain-computer interface. When combined with other technology, avatars will grant users a slew of new abilities, such as the bravery to labor in perilous conditions, conduct rescue missions, and undertake perilous journeys. Parts of the avatar will be integrated into medical practice to help patients with physical impairments of any kind, from missing limbs to impaired senses, regain their independence. 2020 to 2025. People whose bodies have been fully worn out or irreparably wounded can be saved by the development of an autonomous life support system for the human brain linked to a robot, dubbed Avatar. If the patient's brain is still in good shape, they will be able to regain full bodily function. These advancements will allow for a wide variety of electronic and biological systems to be superimposed, opening the door to a new information technology revolution. 2030 to 2035. Developing a computational model of the brain and consciousness, then creating technology for transferring a person's mind to an artificial carrier. This breakthrough will significantly alter the world, since it will enable regular people to recover or modify their own brains numerous times, construct a friendly artificial intelligence, and increase human capabilities. At this point, the outcome has the potential to usher in a genuine revolution in our knowledge of human nature, radically altering our species' social and technological futures by 2045. Now is the moment for substance-free minds to be implanted into superhumanly advanced new bodies. The dawn of a new era is upon us. Energy production, transportation, politics, medicine, psychology, the sciences, etc. will all undergo transformations. Creating a body out of nanorobots that is both inexpensive and versatile is a far-fetched concept right now. Controlled matter in body holograms is likewise quite implausible to consider. Despite this, one thing is certain: for the first time in our species' history, humans will undergo a thoroughly regulated evolutionary transition and finally evolve into a new species. The groundwork for a massive space colonization effort will also be laid.